What's going on, guys? Welcome back to JECS. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new Nike Craft Tom Sack pre-order general purpose participation summer camp shoe here that was made for order, the pre-order, the year in the making shoe here. So let's go ahead and get into all the details. Yeah, long story short, the Marjars came out last year, and if you took a L on the drawing, you got a chance to get a made for order pre-order of these shoes. So I think this is like the only release, so I guess that's kind of cool, you know what I'm saying? But so I'm not too sure about the availability of these, but we got them here a year in the making. It took a year for these to release. So here it is, the box as always, same old box, size 14, same box as the other Nike Craft general purpose shoes here. So looks really cool though. Look at that, really nice stuff. And what's crazy, and I know this is a side topic, I'm still waiting for the Travis Scott merch, because I got the pink Travis Scott shoes and I'm still waiting for the merch for those shoes. So the merch, so these shoes that took a year to get came before my merch, which is crazy. All right, but stay tuned to the channel for that, because I will be doing an unboxing and try on for that as well. All right, here's a look. Oh man, the box smells good. Wow. But here's a look at the inside as always. But anyways, overall, really nice shoe. Here's a look at the left shoe here, off rip. Now these honestly kind of remind me of the Marjard shoes, you know what I'm saying? They kind of do. I don't know if it's because of the color scheme, like that gray with the, the off-white colorway with the red. I don't know. They remind me of them. Maybe because I took an L, it makes me try to cope, wishing that I got the Marjards. But hey, this is still a really nice shoe as well. Now, like I said, because these were made for order, these were pre-order in a year in advance, I wonder how many, stocks, how many of these were made. You know what I'm saying? I wonder if these are going to be one of the few general purpose shoes that actually resell for a lot. I have no plans of reselling these shoes, but I also don't know if I want to wear them. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love this shoe. This shoe is super comfortable. Like, it already feels comfortable. Like I said, I already own a pair of these already, and they're one of my favorite shoes to just casually wear, just going to the store or something like that. They're so comfortable, and this colorway looks so clean. Like, I love the way this colorway looks. This is definitely the best colorway. And I like the yellow colorway. That's my favorite one. I don't own those though, because at the time when they released, they were pretty hard to get. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these. These are kind of crazy. And here's a look at the right shoe here as well. Pretty much same details. Got the summer camp here on the inside. Really nice. It's like, is it embroidered? No, it's printed on here. So all this is printed on the shoe. It's not embroidered, if you guys are wondering. You guys can see it there. But it does look nice. Here's the inside as well. Overall, like, I can't complain about the shoe. I think it's a really nice looking shoe. I think that these are like a really great casual shoe to wear, and they're very comfortable, and this colorway is absolutely incredible. Here's what the inside of the left shoe looks like as well. I didn't show the left side, left shoe. Yeah, very lightweight, light on the feet. I love the bottom, the nice waffle bottom, give you some nice traction on the floor. So very good when it comes to walking in these. Very comfortable and lightweight. I definitely want to see like how many people actually went for these. I know there's probably a good amount of people that went for them, but now that they're finally, but I don't know, like, people having to wait a year just to get a pair of shoes, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how many people would actually take up on that offer, but I think it's really nice. What do you guys think? Definitely let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Yeah, so these are the participation shoes here, so that's hilarious. All right, you know what I'm saying? So if you took an L, you got these. You can't complain about that at all. But yeah, overall, great pair of shoes. Definitely let me know what you guys think about these shoes in the comment section down below. Definitely would like to know what you guys think. And did you guys get a pair? And if you guys actually own a collection of these, let me know which colorway is your favorite. I only have the brown colorway, but because back when these first came out, these were like almost impossible to get. But like the yellow pair, those are fire. I love those a lot. Well, were they impossible to get? I can't remember. I remember taking a lot of L's on these, so I mean, I guess in my case they were impossible to get. But yeah, the yellow ones are my favorite ones. I would definitely like to get those someday, but these are my top favorites. I think I like these more than the yellow ones just because of all the nice little cool touches on them that makes them different. And it's definitely a unique colorway. You know what I'm saying? Like if you know this shoe, you know what it is. You know what I'm saying? That's the cool thing about it. It's a if you know, you know type of shoe. So yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below about the general purpose Nike Tom Sachs participation shoe. Here in the comment section down below, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys the next time. Sign out. Peace out, everybody.